We haven't recorded a video in a while. This is crazy. But what's up guys, Keysy back with another video. I know I haven't made a video in like 2 to 3 weeks, somewhere around there, but because all this quarantine stuff. Yeah, but with all this quarantine going on and everything, I really haven't been motivated, like haven't felt motivated to do anything at all, like YouTube pictures, anything. Whoa, I think it's getting dark in here. I'm using window light, so let me just set up the main light right here so you get consistent light, and yeah, I'll be back. Hold on. Alright, oh ew, it's too bright. Alright, like that? I think that's fine, right? Somewhere around 25%. It's really close, by the way, so it's like literally right off frame. Alright, since now we have the key light, we have everything consistent going on. I just haven't really been, like, I haven't felt to do anything at all. I've just kind of been working really. But yeah, I finally, I've been saving up some money to get this item that I have. Oh my god, I've been so excited. I've been just looking at this everywhere, eBay, Amazon, all over the place, just trying to see if I could get maybe, I didn't want to spend all that money on this one lens, but then I was just like one day, fuck it. This is an investment for me. This in the long run will help me out a lot. In the long run, it'll pay itself. So this is the first, other than this camera right here, this is the first big investment I have been doing on camera equipment. Like I heard somebody say, with this hobby, it gets really expensive. So I'm just gonna get straight to it and get the box because I'm super excited to unbox it. Woohoo! Alright, so the item in question is this 16 to, hold on, too much reflection. Alright, there we go, something like that. Is this 15 to 35 f2.8 L. Oh my god, image stabilized as well. For the EOS R camera, since the EOS R has came out about a year ago, they did change over to the RF mounts, and I think they're gonna start moving forward with that, especially with the EOS R5. That thing is a beast, but we're not talking about that today. We're talking about this new lens that I did get. I don't really look at spec sheets like that for real, because I look at them just to see what it's capable of, but I honestly base it off of what I'm able to do with the lens and what the lens is capable of doing while I'm using it. I hope that makes sense or I didn't repeat myself. But yeah, let's just get straight to this unboxing because this thing is absolutely wicked. It's not gonna be a big, long unboxing because I did just get this and I still need to test out and everything, so that's gonna be on a separate video. And if you guys do want to see that, there's a bunch of tests of videos, pictures, leave a like down below. So, oh my god, I'm just super excited really. We have these manuals right here, everything. We have this right here. It's like a lens thing for the lens. I don't know if I'll ever use this, to be honest. Let's see if we get some focus. But yeah, I don't know if I'll ever use this, but it's a good little accessory to have for it. So just in case. Alright, let's get this out of the way. Let me back up a little bit more because styrofoam. This is everything that came in the freaking lens. A lens hood. I've honestly never had a lens hood, but now that I bought this lens and it brings one, I'm gonna be using it a lot. So yeah, we have one finally. And and then the coveted. Oh my god. All right. This right here. This is a lot heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Jesus. Let's just get that. But what, guys, look at this. I'm gonna have B-roll all overlaying this because this overview right here is not gonna do it justice. But this looks absolutely insane. If you see right there, let's see if we can get a little bit closer. 15 and 35 IS. Oh my god, image stabilized. This thing is absolutely wicked. It has an 82 millimeter. Like, what? That thing is big. That is some big glass right there. Look. This is, I have seen a bunch of videos, you know, because I did want this lens, so I just did want to keep up with what it does and everything. But this, it does, if I'm not mistaken, this compared to the 16 to 35, like the older version, it's still a 2.8. This one has an external zoom and the other one doesn't. I'm not sure. I have to fact check that. If I'm wrong, I will put that on the screen. I am so sorry, you guys. But like I said, this is my first prime lens that I spent a lot of money on. It has this like control ring right here. You can set this to different programs like ISO, shutter speed, and aperture, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna be using that, to be honest, because I still need to get like these others, this, you know, this zoom control right here, and then this focus ring. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing with this a bunch. The retail was $2,400, like after taxes and shipping. Shipping was free. I have Amazon Prime. But yeah, this thing was really expensive. But I honestly believe that if I want to make this into a career, I have to invest in this right now, so later on this equipment itself will pay for itself. So that's kind of my mentality of why I bought it. And just because, and since I'm gonna be doing a bunch of YouTube videos as well, I'll be using for YouTube, music videos, photography, just a bunch of an array of things. I needed a lens that was wide, like really wide, and plus I have this 24 millimeter 1.8 right here. It's not a, I was like, I think it cost me like $100 some off Amazon. You know, I've been satisfied with this more than enough. Like, this has done more than I asked for it to do. But since it is only like configured to 24 mil, I'm not able to like really vlog with it unless it's like really zoomed into my face, or I have to kind of be like, my arm has to be extended super far away. And since when I'm making videos, I need to be a little bit closer to the mic because the mic is kind of far away with a 24 mil. So with this 15 to 35, I'm gonna be able to be a lot closer. The audio is gonna be a lot better, and just overall the production of these videos and pictures is gonna be tenfold of what it already is. But you know, it's not always the equipment of what you have, it's kind of just really what you have at your disposal and what you can work with. As I said, this is an investment for me, so I just want to keep that in mind. I do not have money. This is just something I have been saving up for. So yeah, I just want to make that into consideration, and I just hope that, yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'm sorry this wasn't like a review, a spec sheet of this whole lens. I did just get it for the first time. So once I start testing it out and have more hands-on with it, I am gonna make another video for you guys to show you everything that I've shot with this thing. So if you guys want to see that, like I said earlier, like the video. Leave a comment down below, maybe what's the next lens that you're trying to get. And yeah, subscribe if you aren't already so you can keep seeing more videos of me talking, unboxing Supreme Palace. I'm just unboxing a bunch of stuff that I do have, and for the next videos that are gonna come up. Yeah, and not just streetwear. I am interested in other things. So yeah, go ahead, let me stop talking, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. For the since the EOS R has came out